This is a 1972 Jeanneau Gin Fizz, made famous by Laura Dekker, the youngest person to sail around the world at age 16. You can actually kind of lounge in here. Nice deep cockpit. It has a rear cabin. This is actually a little larger than I anticipated.
Yeah, it's probably hard to get into this. You know how you were all worried about how the walls, the walls covering the way they are? Said the guy that he picked it up from had carpet on the walls. We just put some carpet
Yeah, it's like a tent.
Chain plate there looks good.
I like this back cabin more than I thought I would. I like this back cabin more than I thought I would. Andrea's facial expression says it all.
It's really interesting.
It is interesting.
I want to see the rest before I make any decisions about where I would sleep.
Yeah, I think we could come up with something different right here. I don't think fixing the cushion is gonna do it for her. This head is lacking to be desired. This would require a full rebuild to be not so industrial. You build some cabinets up here. This boat had all kinds of water damage. It was going to require building completely new cabinets, but in doing so, we could completely customize them exactly how we want them.
I noticed that the design is just not as thoughtful. For sure.
Yeah, we just customize it.
Yeah.
This was the main area of concern. There was water ingress and really rotted the wood. Most of it's probably aesthetic. What we'd have to do is get under that fiberglass thing and get to the stringer to see if it's still solid or if it's rotted. The boat was priced accordingly.
In some areas, you know, it's just the veneer that's like this coming up, you know? And you just rip all that out, and then some areas the wood underneath is.
Right, have to build all new cabinet, really.
Yeah.
Did you get under the build sheet? Can you see the bolts?
No, they're fiberglassed over.
Okay.
Which should be a good thing if it's actually sealed.
Mm-hmm.
This is rusty water.
If it was rust, it wouldn't be that red and uniform everywhere, and I don't think it'd leave that layer.
It's probably just rainwater. This little quarter berth is pretty gross. That would require a lot of work. A little elbow grease.
I don't know how heavy you go with electronics and if you get used or new. I mean, you could easily drop 10 into electronics, you know?
Oh, yeah.
You could pick up used ones and install them yourself, but,
Yeah.
you know, it'd probably get you away for like 5, 7, but you're gonna need an autopilot for sure, you know? You're gonna need, you know, you can just use the iPad with Navionics.
Whew, we're not used to this heat. We're
You're sitting the worst yet, man. It could be in August.
That's what I told him. I was like,
Yeah.
it's like in August.
We live on an east-facing hill with a lot of trees. So our house is like 60, 65 all year round.
Naturally.
Yeah. And then so if we go down the hill into the valley, it'll be like 80, but our house will be down in a sweater and I'm like, holy shit, it's actually hot. So what is this? Like what's under this?
Just a cross member.
Yeah.
Let you drop right down in there.
Sweet.
Right in the back. So.
Big water heater, wow.
The good thing about these are, you know, they're also heated by the engine loop. There's a heat exchanger in here with the engine coolant. We'll run through it, cycle through it. So if you run the engine for like 30 minutes, you'll have hot water. If you're at like an anchor or whatever, you know, you want to have some hot water.
Battery's a little crusty over there, but that's to be expected. He's got a spinnaker pull for this?
Yes, it does. It's just not on the boat, but it's huge. I've seen people who they'll strap scuba tanks to these, you know.
Oh, yeah.
They don't even need to use them for what they're designed to hold you up. They're great for storing stuff on deck, you know.
Crispy sails.
So there was a soft spot in the deck that was most likely connected to all the damage that's down below, all the water damage. So that would have to get opened up and addressed. The rigging was actually only a couple years old. The engine had 100 hours on a full rebuild, and it had brand new sails. So for the price of $10,000, it was a steal.
It's right before you go into Florida, St. Mary's Boat Services, and you can loan your boat in the hard and just work. And they have a big tool shop and workshop that you can use and borrow tools from, and do everything yourself. There's no rules about that. The growth is bad. You have a lot of current and a lot of salt water and a lot of barnacles.
Yeah, there is a lot of current right here.
Yeah, it makes it tricky when you're docking. It's like around a full moon, it's rushing like a river.
Wow. Well, I can't say it's any worse than I expected. It's kind of what I expected.
Yeah.
I guess that's a testament to you, Wes. It's about what we thought we were getting.
Well, yeah, I mean, y'all knew y'all were traveling. I wasn't going to try and pull anything over on you. I mean, it needs some work, you know. I think you can get it for a good deal, though, you know. Yeah.
I think what I'd be curious about is like, and we'd have to talk about some redesigning of. I hate the way the bathroom is and stuff. And, and that's a good thing about getting a boat that you're going to redo, is you can kind of be thoughtful about how you design it to your liking. I mean, there's definitely design things about the Praetorian that are just really well thought out. The handrails throughout, the way that it's designed so that you can kind of... But that's not to say we can't implement.
Yeah.
We have the space to do it.
Yeah, we're going with our dogs. We're not.
I mean, what kind of dog is it?
Well, we have two.
Are they little small dogs?
I'm more worried about they're pretty big. Like,
we have one's a pit bull.
Pit bull lab.
I had a like a pointer, and he would.
Yeah.
After a couple of times where he would learn how to go up, he started being able to do it by himself.
Yeah.
When they go down, they just jump. They just haul it.
Yeah, they just go.
Soar, you know?
Things that are larger in person, the galley.
Yeah. Oh, definitely.
And this chart table is huge.
Chart table's huge.
Yeah, it is really big.
We definitely have to put a little latch. And then we'd still have to do like some sort of swim platform and...
Yep. So, we gotta go to Montreal next.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, doing boat work here in the winter would be great.
Yeah, that's true. Is she seaworthy?
Yar, there be oil in the bilge.